Hi, I'm Rhonda Parmesan and you're watching Newscats. In the latest chapter of Donald Trump's ongoing legal saga, the stakes couldn't be higher as his team pushes for a trial delay that could reshape the landscape of the 2024 presidential election. Former President Trump is at the centre of yet another legal storm as his attorneys file a motion to postpone his federal election interference trial. This isn't just about shifting dates. They want to hold off the trial until after the election. The heart of their argument revolves around a critical date, September 18th, 2024, which is not just another day on the calendar. It is the planned sentencing for Trump. His legal team claims this timing could throw a wrench in the works of his political ambitions. They assert that any disruption to the electoral process, particularly as Trump rallies supporters for his campaign, could unintentionally taint the upcoming election. Their claim is that the proximity of his sentencing to the election constitutes a form of election interference, a central theme of their legal strategy. Let's meow deeper into the arguments being made. The legal filings reveal that Trump's lawyers argue they need more time to explore recent Supreme Court rulings related to presidential immunity. This matter is complicated and cannot be underestimated. The Supreme Court has recently introduced some additional complexities into their defense strategy that Trump's team believes could majorly impact their case. They argue that rushing to trial could undermine the integrity of the electoral process. So, while they seek to delay proceedings, questions arise about their true motives. Are they genuinely concerned about the fairness of the election process? Or is this a crafty tactical maneuver to exploit the situation to their advantage? Special counsel Jack Smith isn't backing down, and he's firmly opposed to any delays. He insists that the case should proceed without interruption to address the crucial question of whether Trump's actions during his presidency were official duties or something else entirely. Donald Trump stands as the main player, facing a myriad of legal challenges. He has consistently labelled the charges against him as politically charged attacks, aimed squarely at damaging his chances for a political comeback. On the opposing side, we find special counsel Jack Smith, who is committed to holding Trump accountable, embodying the principle that no one is above the law, not even a former president. Then there's Todd Blanche, Trump's lead attorney. He is fighting fiercely for this proposed delay, contending that the prosecution's rush to trial could be an elaborate strategy to skew electoral outcomes. Meanwhile, we cannot overlook Molly Gaston, a senior assistant special counsel. She emphasises the need to unravel the complexities of presidential immunity in this case and ensure that the pursuit of justice isn't swerved off course. The battleground for this legal drama is set in Washington, D.C. at the E. Barrett Prettyman United States Courthouse. This location is more than just a backdrop. It signifies the power of the judiciary and the high stakes surrounding our nation's political environment. As the legal proceedings unfold, implications stretch far beyond the courthouse. The intertwining of Trump's legal challenges with the upcoming election is monumental. Imagine, if trial delays carry into election season, the ripple effects could seriously impact Trump's campaign tactics and public sentiment. The possibility of manipulating how voters perceive legal actions seems rather large, raising broader questions about the delicate relationship between the judicial and electoral systems. Now, let's unfold the timeline of events as they come into view. With September 18th, 2024 looming on the horizon, the stakes become even more pronounced. If Trump's legal team secures the delay they seek, it creates a landscape filled with uncertainty, potentially encroaching into a critical pre-election period. Each decision made in court carries significant implications not only for Trump's legal standing, but also for how the public perceives the justice system itself. Judge Tanya Chutkan is set to conduct hearings that loom large for the future of these proceedings, and every detail matters. The resolutions made regarding these motions could change the electoral race's trajectory. As all eyes are set on these crucial dates, it's essential to ponder how these legal complexities will impact election dynamics and voters' feelings leading up to November 2024. The intricate interplay between law and politics draws the audience's attention as these legal battles unfold. The quest for a delay in the trial forces us to consider accountability, political manoeuvring, and what democracy truly entails. With Trump's strategy seemingly centred on framing these legal challenges as part of a political war, it begs the question, how will this resonate with both his supporters and detractors as we approach the 2024 election? Public opinion is in constant flux regarding the fairness of these legal actions, echoing sentiments throughout history concerning how past leaders responded to legal challenges. Moreover, the political landscape hints at reactions from other figures, fueling discussions about the intersection of justice and politics. Meow, let's not forget the bigger picture. Trump's legal issues reflect a broader conversation about the balance of power and accountability in American politics. Moving forward, we must consider the outcomes of these cases and their implications on democracy itself. Could this legal tempest disrupt the anticipated flow of the electoral race and the public's trust in our institutions? So many questions linger as we keep one paw on the pulse of this unfolding saga. Share your thoughts. What do you believe could happen as these events unfold? Let me know in the comments, and please subscribe for all the latest updates. This story is far from over and the world is watching. I'm Ron de Parmesan, and this has been another Newscat special report. Thank you for watching, and don't go far because another breaking story is right around the corner. Meow!